Hello guys, welcome to Takeoff Group. Today our project is pick and place robot using Zigbee. The pick and place robot is one of the technologies used in the manufacturing industries which is designed to perform pick and place operations. The system is so designed that it eliminates the human error and human intervention to get more precise work. The pick and place mechanical arm is a human control based system that picks the object from the source location and places at a desired location. Now let's see the block diagram of a project. The block diagram has two parts, the transmitter part and a receiver part. The transmitter part is placed on a joystick. The joystick has two buttons. The right button is to control the robot body and the left button is to control the robotic arm. These two buttons are connected as an input to the Arduino controller. The Arduino controller output is given to a Zigbee transmitter which is used to transmit the signals to the Zigbee receiver. The receiver section is placed on the robot. The Zigbee receiver is used to receive the signal that has been transmitted from the Zigbee transmitter. These received signals are given to the Arduino controller. The Arduino controller output are given to two motor driver circuits. One motor driver circuit is used for the robot body and the second motor driver circuit is used for the robotic arms. These motor driver circuits are used to drive the motors. So now let's come to the working part of our project. This is the transmitter part. This is nothing but a joystick which is used to control the robot. And this is the receiver part. The receiver section is kept into the robot. This is the mechanical arm through which we can pick the objects and place it to the desired location. Here the joystick works as a transmitter which has an Arduino controller and a Zigbee transmitter in it. This joystick is controlled manually by the user. To move the robot in any direction and to control the robotic arm, we have defined some commands in the program and these commands are sent to the receiver section using the Zigbee transmitter on the basis of how we control the joystick. In the joystick there are two control buttons. The right one is for controlling the robot and the left one is for controlling the robotic arm, and there is a LCD display on it which displays the commands on it, and the commands what we send from the Zigbee transmitter is received by the Zigbee receiver in the receiver section. The Zigbee receiver including the Arduino controller is placed inside the robot. Whenever the Zigbee receiver receives these commands, then this is given as an input to the Arduino controller which processes these inputs and gives as the output to the motor driver circuit which then drives the motor in different directions. Okay, now let's see the output of a project. This is the joystick through which we control the robot. These are two buttons through which we can control the directions of the robot and the robotic arm. And this is the LCD display which displays the name of the project and also the directions of the robot. So now when I press the joystick button forward, it will move forward, and when I press it backward, this is for right and left. So using the joystick buttons we can control the robot body and using the left button we can control the robotic arm.